In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Logseq graphs with Syncthing. If you've wanted a private, reliable way to keep your Logseq notes in sync across devices, the Syncthing integration is a great option. We'll install it directly from within Logseq so you can get up and running quickly. First, head to the Logseq website. This takes you to the official entry point for Logseq, and from here you can access the interface you need, whether you prefer the desktop app or the web version. Starting at the official site helps ensure you're working with the latest, stable experience. Next, look to the top right corner of the Logseq interface for the three-dot menu. This is the main options menu. Clicking it opens a panel with tools and settings that aren't immediately visible on the home screen, including features for customizing how Logseq behaves. From that menu, choose Plugins. Plugins extend Logseq with extra capabilities, and this is where you manage what's installed. If this is your first time here, you'll see tabs for available plugins and a list of anything you've already added. This view is also where you'll update or disable plugins later, so it's worth getting familiar with it. Open the Marketplace. The Marketplace is Logseq's catalog of community and official plugins. It includes descriptions, version numbers, and reviews, so you can quickly evaluate what each plugin does. You can browse categories or use the search bar to find exactly what you need without scrolling through the entire list. In the search field, type Syncthing, then click Install on the Syncthing plugin. The Install button will download and enable the plugin for your current Logseq setup. Depending on your device, Logseq may briefly reload to activate it. After installation, the plugin should appear under your installed tab, and many plugins also provide a small settings button you can review to understand the defaults. The Syncthing plugin is designed to work alongside the Syncthing app on your devices. When that app is set up and running in the background, your graph folder can participate in your existing peer-to-peer sync. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If search doesn't return the plugin, check your connection or try again in a moment, as the catalog can take a second to load. If you keep multiple graphs, confirm you're installing the plugin from the graph you'll be syncing, so the settings apply where you expect. And after installation, give Logseq a moment to index. Larger graphs may take a bit before everything feels snappy again. That's it. You've installed the Syncthing plugin from the Logseq Marketplace, and you're ready to sync your notes privately across devices.